We've got a very nice fall line coming in from the Gulf. It's been so dry here. It looks to be a narrow band, but I'm hoping while it's here, it's a good heavy dump. I've got buckets lined up along the eaves, front and back. Try to catch this rare jolt of rain. Severe weather warnings with this system, but so far the thunder sounds really distant. I just hope it lasts and fills up all my buckets and all my rain barrels. Excuse me, and I can hardly wait to get those two 250-gallon rain barrels set up, probably along the front of the house on each side of the main gutter. It'd be wonderful to have that much water trapped along with my 55-gallon ones, and then all these 5- and 7-gallon barrels I have. The nasturtiums are starting to really crap out in the heat. I'm going to be replacing them probably with perennia after I plant more roses in there. Love that sound. Bye-bye, y'all.